Hello guys, this is Max from Learning Russian Idioms and Phrases. Today I'm in another place. I'm not in my so-called studio kitchen. I have really a lot of work to do using the car around the city. I just can't leave you without my super English lessons. Привет, ребята, я сегодня в другой обстановке, не в своей студии кухни. У меня очень много работы по городу, поэтому поехали. So let's go. Today's idiom is вилами по воде. Или еще мы иногда говорим вилами по воде писано. Вилами по воде или вилами по воде писано. What does it mean? What is the meaning of this idiom? As always, I'll try to give the direct meaning of this idiom. Вилы. It's translated to Russian as the hayfork. That thing with as I remember, with like 3 teeth. And you use it to put a hay on it, and then you put it somewhere else. And the animals, like the cows on the horse or the horses, will eat it during the winter times, the hay. So we take the hay and try to draw something on the water. Итак, мы берем вилы и пытаемся ими рисовать, писать на воде. We're trying to draw or paint or text on the water. Мы пытаемся писать на воде. Why we do this? Почему мы это делаем? What is the meaning of this? В чем смысл? The point here is we're trying to predict something. Смысл в том, что мы пытаемся что-то предугадать. Что-то, it's like the fortune telling. Это как гадание. We draw something like, will I be rich? Буду ли я богат? Or will he marry me? Or will she marry me? Выйдет ли она за меня замуж? Выйдет ли он за меня замуж? Will I win something? The big prize of money. Выиграю ли я приз? So it's almost always, it's like the percent of happening of this when we talking in the context of this idiom is no. It's like not gonna happen. When we're talking about this in the context of this idiom, когда мы говорим в контексте этой идиомы, в контексте этой фразы, скорее всего это не произойдет. Вилами по воде писано. Нет, скорее всего это не произойдет. No, it's not gonna happen. It's like writing on a water. It's like trying to text something on a water with a haze. So that is the meaning. The whole point, the whole meaning of this idiom is like you're trying to fortune telling something and it's not gonna happen. Almost not gonna happen. Almost any time not gonna happen. And from where we have this idiom, we can explain it in 2 different ways, I think. The first is like the вилы, the haze, is like good or natural good spirits that lives in a water. In a Slavic mythology, it's creatures that mystical spirits. It's like a mermaids that lives in a water or in a wells somewhere, in a wells maybe. And they're not very bad, but it's like the name of these spirits, vile. And the second meaning sometimes is like these ripples, these circles on the water. After you put something on the water, there are ripples, and the ripples used to be like a vile, called vile. I don't know the real meaning, but I think the easiest ways to remember this idiom is just to think about it like, and if you ask any Russian what is the meaning and how so, если вы спросите русского, что означает это значение этой идиомы, как оно произошло, он скорее всего, he will say for sure, almost for sure, that it's like trying to draw something with the haze. Он скажет скорее всего, что происхождение это рисовать или писать вилами по воде. Вот такой смысл. That is the point of this idiom. And I'll try to give you the example. Маша, will you go to the holiday this year? Маша, ты поедешь в отпуск в этом году? Will you go to the holiday this year? Ты знаешь, у меня болеет бабушка, и денег не очень много, и все эти вещи с вирусом, тут все вилами по воде писано. You know, my granny is ill, and I don't have enough money, and that virus stuff, and that everything, it's like the haze on the water. Это вилами по воде, как будто бы. Неясно. I don't know. I don't think I can manage it everything. Я не думаю, что у меня получится. I don't think I can do this. Я не думаю, что у меня получится. I don't think I can do this. Я не думаю, что у меня получится. Okay, guys. It was today's idiom вилами по воде или вилами по воде писано. Я надеюсь, что вам понравился этот новый формат. I hope you like this new format of this video. Don't worry about me, I'm quite an experienced driver. Just kidding. Okay, you can watch my other videos and please write down in the comment sections if you have any questions. It was Max, see you in the next videos and bye.